नमस्कार, पळय प्रुडंट खबरो. इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर झाले का युतीतल्यान भायर पर्रीकार आयलो तरी फाटी सरचना. टाइम गेलो. मगो पण मंचाकडेन चर्चा चालल्या. ढवळीकार पेडोना. केशीचो निकाल लागा मेरेन 60 टीएमसी उदक दिवचे म्हूण कर्नाटकाच्या अर्जाचेर मेतेर जावंक सुप्रीम कोर्टाचो न्हयकार. ट्रिब्युनलाच्या ऑर्डरी आड कर्नाटकान घाल्लो अर्ज घेतलो फाटी. सुप्रीम कोर्टान बीसीसीआयचो अध्यक्ष अनुराग ठाकूर आनी सेक्रेटरी शिर्केक देंवयले. लोधा पॅनलाचे शिफारसी चालीक लायना म्हूण कारवाय. बीसीसीआयचे प्रशासन. हॉटेलां रेस्टॉरंटांनी गिरायकांनी सर्व्हिस चार्ज दिवंकूच जाय असो ना. सर्व्हिस मानवल्यार दिन दिसल्यारच दिवपाचो. कंझ्युमर अफेअर्स मिनिस्ट्रीन हॉटेल बॉडीक केलें स्पश्ट. आनी मध्य प्रदेशांत जावपा आशिल्ले संतोष ट्रॉफी सर्तींत गोंया कडल्यान बऱ्या परफॉर्मन्साची कोच मॅथ्यू कॉस्ताक अपेक्षा. इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर झाले काय मोगो बीजेपी कडेन युतींतल्यान भायर. गोवा सुरक्षा मंचा कडेन युतीत त्या उपरांत. बीजेपी कडेन मोगोन फारकत घेतिल्ली ना. तांणीच आमकां काडल्यात. आतां पर्रीकार गोंयांत परत आयलो तरी फाटी सरचे ना. कितले फावट ताका आपोवन जालो. आतां टायम गेलो. गोवा सुरक्षा मंचा कडेन युती आनी सिटांचें उलोवप चल्लां. मोगोचो प्रदेश अध्यक्ष आमदार दीपक ढवळीकार प्रुडंटाच्या हेडॉनात उलयलो.
सो ही निवडणूक 5 वर्सांची आशिल्ली. टर्म सोंपसर प्री पोल अलायन्साचे अलायन्स हें दवरचें लागता. पोस्ट अलायन्स आशिल्लें जाल्यार आमकां जाय तेन्ना आमी भायर सरतले आशिल्ले. जरी आमकां मंत्रिमंडळांतल्यान काडून उडयले तर युतीचो एक धर्म म्हणून हो आमी पाळ्ळा. कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट जाले बरोबर. आमचे केंद्रीय समितीचो निर्णय आमी रिझोल्युशन घेतले आणि आम्ही पाठिंबो काढून स्वतंत्र रित्या निवडणूक लढोवपाची आम्ही घोषणा करतले.
सर तुम्ही म्हणतात की आता एक उरली ती एक औपचारिकता
उरल्या उरूक जाय ती उरूक जाय. कारण ते प्री पोल अलायन्स आसा. लोकां मदीं एक उत्सुकता निर्माण आसता की पयलीं युती करून ह्यांनी दोगो दिलो काय कितें कोणी दोगो दिलो हे लोकांक समजूंक जाय.
आज समजा मनोहर पर्रीकार परत आयलो आज परत आयलो जाल्यार तुम्ही युतीचे फेरविचार करतलो काय तो परत येऊन फेरविचार करपाची वेळ गेली
गेली कारण 1 महिनो निवडणूक उरला.
आम्ही आज मेरेन गोवा सुरक्षा मंचाक उलयतना आयकला की आम्ही मोगो बरोबर युती करतले मोगो आमचे बरोबर येतलो. पण तितलो फॉन्ड रिस्पॉन्स सारको मोगो कडच्यान केन्नाच आमी आयकल्लो ना.
इन प्रिंसिपल वी हॅव एग्रीड we will go both together in this election. कारण तसे समविचारी मतदार 8-10 मतदारसंघात असा
लास्ट
आणि काही 4-8 दिवसांनी सीट आणि शेअरिंग आणि हे
सो यू आर सेइंग दॅट अलायन्स इज ऑन ओनली डिटेल्स नीड टू बी वर्कड आउट.
आम्ही मिनिमम 19 ते 22 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मिनिमम आम्ही
कॉन्टेस्ट करतले
एमजीच्या माध्यमात.
आणि बाकीचे अलायन्स पार्टनरा बरोबर तुम्ही हे
करतले.
बट एज अ अलायन्स यू आर गोइंग टू कॉन्टेस्ट ऑल 40
ऑलमोस्ट 40 नॉट ऑल 40 ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 कमी पडत.
केशीचो निकाल लागा मेरेन म्हादयचें 7.5 टीएमसी उदक दिवचें म्हूण कर्नाटकाच्या यत्नाक आनीक एक दणको. सुप्रीम कोर्टानूय कर्नाटकाचो अर्ज भायर मारलो. केशींत मेतेर जावंक सुप्रीम कोर्टान स्पश्ट न्हयकार दिलो. तात्पुरती गरज म्हूण म्हादयचें 7.5 टीएमसी उदक दिवचें म्हूण कर्नाटकान पयलीं ट्रिब्युनलाक अर्ज घाल्लो. ट्रिब्युनलान अर्ज भायर मारिल्ल्यान कर्नाटक सुप्रीम कोर्टांत गेल्ले. कोर्टान अर्ज भायर मारता म्हणिल्ल्यान कर्नाटकान तो फाटीं घेतलो.
State of Karnataka had filed an SLP in the Supreme Court. SLP means special leave petition in the Supreme Court, challenging the order dated 27th July 2016, where their IE for diversion of 7 TMC of water was rejected by the tribunal. The council, Mr. Nariman, appearing for the state of Karnataka, argued saying that this water is a complete waste which is going to sea. He also argued on the point that state of Maharashtra is fully supporting state of Karnataka. And then he said that order is wrong. But however, the court was not inclined to interfere with the order. So ultimately, the court told him to withdraw this petition.
Okay.
So we withdraw this SLP. So they took that opportunity. They have withdrawn this SLP. In the IE which was filed before the tribunal, the state of Karnataka had prayed that they may be permitted to divert 7 TMC of water to Malaprabha Basin. That is Malaprabha Reservoir. That application was rejected. So that application stands confirmed today by the Supreme Court. And so as of now, they can't divert if it's state of war, because the state of affairs which was there would continue now.
BCCIचो अध्यक्ष अनुराग ठाकूर, सचिव अजय शिर्के दोगांकय सुप्रीम कोर्टान देंवयले. क्रिकेट संघटनाची पॅरंट बॉडी BCCIचेर कोर्ट प्रशासक नेमतलो. BCCI आनी क्रिकेट संघटनाक अर्थीक आनी प्रशासकी शिस्त लावंक लोधा कमिटीचे शिफारसी चालीक लायना म्हूण ही एक्शन. शिफारसी चालीक लायना तो मेरेन GCA धरून खंयच्याच क्रिकेट संघटनेक BCCIचो फंड दिवंक मेळचो ना.
This is logical consequence because once the committee's reforms were accepted by the Supreme Court in its order of 18 July 2016, it had to be implemented. There were obstructions, there were impediments. We fixed the timelines that was not adhered to. We submitted 3 reports before the Supreme Court. Even then it was not implemented. Obviously this was to happen and this has happened. I don't read whether they were overconfident or not. But one should understand that when the order of the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of the land, has come, it has to be obeyed by all. It is law of the land. Nobody can escape it. The majesty of law has worked, and Supreme Court order, Supreme Court itself has ensured that its order of 18 July is now enforced. Actually, it's the victory for the game of the cricket, and it will flourish. Don't worry about that. Administrators come, administrators go, but ultimately it is for the benefit of the game, and game will flourish, I'm very sure. Once we submitted our report on 4th January 2016, it was only by 18 July that committee was revived as we were asked to implement the order. Accordingly, we fixed the timelines, but still we were unsuccessful. The order of the Supreme Court remained unimplemented, and it is for this reason I think this is the first step towards implementation of the order of 18 July 2016.
The Lodha committee will be empowered to go through all the reforms by themselves. They even have a committee of Solicitor General and Gopal Subramaniam. They will then take the list of the administrators or overseers or observers, whatever you say, and then conduct all the reforms which have been given by the Lodha Commission and approved by the Supreme Court. So by this, new faces will be coming into the game. All these love-hate relationship for some time will go off. And now we have to see now further with this change how far our cricket goes. It is not to say that the BCCI has not done well.
give a break.